Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshies. Kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading. And this is for the sign of Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Saji at yung mga bago po nating mga viewers. Tignan po natin ngayon kung ano po yung enerhiya o message na makukuha po natin. Kung meron pong sikreto o lihim pagdating po sa inyong damdamin. Karmic relationship. Bottom niya, Saji, is separation. Okay? So, ang karmic po is resentments and triggers, perception, intensity and letting go, turmoil and fleeting. And then yung separation po is about, syempre, yung sadness, bitterness, yung paghihiwala, yung kalungkutan, missing you, thinking about you, o like ka iniisip, o namimiss ka niya, and uncertain future. Hindi ka sigurado kung anong mangyayari sa hinaharap. Yung karmic po kasi, isang body na talagang dumadating sa ating buhay kasi meron siyang gustong ituro sa atin. Okay? Kaya tinawag na karmic eh. There are lessons that needs to be learned from both of you or meron siyang tinuturo sa'yo exactly. Take this as it resonates, Saji, kasi it could be you or your cross-watcher natin. Okay? So, yung karmic relationship kasi normally nagkakahiwalay talaga kayo. You need to let go. Kasi yung purpose lang niya is really to, sabi ko nga, to learn from each other, to teach each other that lesson na importante na kailangan mo matutunan at this time or at this lifetime. Kaya kung gabay yung dumating lang siya kasi kailangan niya tuparin yung purpose na yon. O ganun ka din sa kanya, no? Dumating ka sa buhay niya kasi meron kang purpose para turuan din siya. Okay? Kaya yung paghihiwalay is really part and parcel of the karmic relationship. Malungkot, oo. Masakit, oo. Mamimiss mo yung tao kasi naging kayo naman talaga. Matagal kayo. Kaya naiisip mo siya. Pero hindi ka sigurado eh. No? You're not sure about this. Lalo na kung yung talagang yung naramdaman mo na meron kayong pinagdaanan na mahirap o masakit na talagang kung gaba parang tipong inuntog ka, no? Inuntog ka para matuto ka. Yung ganun. Tingnan natin sa tarot kung ano ngayon. We have a jumping card. We have the Wheel of Fortune, the Queen of Swords, and the Empress. Bottom niya is the Knight of Pentacles. Okay, Saji, yung Knight of Pentacles, this is somebody na very, very, very slow talaga kumilos. Yung movement niya, no, yung timong nakita mo magdi-dribble pa lang. So, in other words, iniisip pa lang niya kung ano yung susunod na move niya, yung galaw niya. Kung gaba sa basketball, ano bang gagawin ko? Magdi-dribble muna ako habang iniisip ko kasi dalawang tao yung nasa harap ko eh. Paano ko ito lalagpasan? Anong estilo ko? Didiretso na ba ako agad na mag-shoot sa ball? Mag-shoot sa goal? Or papasa ko ba ito dun sa ka-teammate ko? Di ba ganon? Kaya nagpaplano siya. In other words, what I'm trying to say, pinagpaplanuhan niya muna to, iniisip niya mabuti kung anong next move. With the Nine of Wands, ang naiisip niyang gawin habang nagdi-decide siya is to be, put up that wall. Put up that wall. Itaas yung kanyang defense, para in a way, protected siya, protektado. Hindi siya yung matatakot na bigla na lang hindi niya madepensahan yung sarili niya. Kung ito yung way niya na to make sure na habang nagbabay siya ng time, meron akong ma-feel ko muna yung security na to, na hindi ako basta-basta maaatake o tipong gano'n. Yung out of the blues na hindi ako magiging selfless o defenseless. Okay, with the Four of Cups, kasi yung pagmamahal na ino-offer, either sa you or sa person mo, pinag-aaralan mo pa eh. You're still trying to see, You're trying to understand kung ito ba talaga yung gusto ko sa buhay ko, May offer of love, but is this what I really wanted? Kasi ini-ignore mo pa sa ngayon eh. Hindi mo pa binibigyan ng atensyon. Nakafocus ka kasi sa ibang bagay o yung dating nangyari nung nakaraan. Kaya hindi mo nakikita yung bagong pag-ibig na binibigay sa'yo o ino-offer sa'yo ngayon. With the Wheel of Fortune, ito yung sinabi na magkakaroon ka ng pagbabago sa buhay mo. It is a change that you will be encountering, Saji. Normally, this is a good sign, magandang positive omen to na magiging maganda naman yung takbo ng buhay. Kasi kung dito ka nasa ilalim ngayon, papanik siya, sa taas para maging successful ka. Pero kung nasa taas ka na, posible rin na bumaba ito sa babang baba. Pero syempre, it doesn't stay that way all the time. Umiikot nga siya, It turns. So, kung saan ka man nandito, ganun na mangyayari. Now, with the Queen of Swords, ito yung tinatawag na logic yung ginagamit mo, It's your thoughts that you are using, not much of your emotion. Kung gaba na nagiging very tough or strong ka, talagang inaano mo yung, sabihin natin na nagiging matigas ka o nagiging malamig pagdating sa iyong damdamin, kasi ang isip ang iyong pinapairal. At hindi ka natatakot na mag-alis o alsin yung mga bagay o tao na dudulot sa iyo ng pighati o paghihirap o sakit sa damdamin. You're not afraid to get into separation, lalo na kung alam mong hindi naging maganda yung relationship mo dito sa tao na to. With the Empress, this is, well, by the way, ang Queen of Swords kasi is an energy coming from a fire, an energy coming from a air sign, Gemini, Aquarius, or Libra. Now, the Empress, of course, ito yung sinasabi na dapat have this energy of being, somebody na talagang may bibigay ng value sa sarili mo. Because you don't chase, hindi ka naghahabol. You know who you are, Saji, or the cross person, cross watcher natin. You know who you are. Kaya bibigyan mo ng value to. Kaya kung iba tipo na, you believe in love and abundance, but first and foremost, you know yourself. You know your worth. Kaya kung gaba tipong you know na meron ako natutunan na dito sa relationship na to, but I still have to, prove na, yes, I can stand on my own. I don't have to chase my person para maging kami ulit. If you really think that you have already consumed the relationship good enough to know na meron, ito na yun na pag natutunan ko, then you know when to move. Alam mo na kung kailan ka gagalaw o kikilos o gagawa ng desisyon. What is the next step? What is the next thing to do? What is the right thing to do? Yung ganun. And normally, it would lead to separation, di ba? Yes, masakit nga, di ba sabi ko? Kasi magkaruktong yung karmic relationship at saka separation. Talagang yun ang nangyayari. And then, tignan natin. We have the Queen of Pentacles and Judgment. Okay, so nagbago yung takbo ng ng kapalaran mo. Maybe when you have this energy of the Queen of Pentacles, kasi siya yung nagsasabi na everything will be fine kasi magiging stable ka naman eh. You could ground yourself, no? Start to ground yourself para mas okay ka pa, di ba? Hindi yung puro logic lang. But though, itong dalawang ito, the Queen of Swords and the Queen of Pentacles are both into their head, into their thoughts, no? Kaya, kung ba parang nagkakaintindihan silang dalawa. And, yung next card kasi natin is all about judgment. No? Sinasabi dito, yung energy na to, Saji, is you have to make that decision. Ano bang decision na yun? Am I going to give this a second chance? Na magkabalikan kami muli? Is it worth giving it another chance? Kasi remember, you are the Empress or the Emperor. No? Hindi naman importante yung gender, but the energy that this card is giving you is to remind you na sino ka? Ano yung capabilities mo? Pinapakita to sa'yo because God or the universe wanted you to know na you don't have to stick to this person. There are possibility of a new beginning. Kaya nga may Wheel of Fortune eh. Umiikot yung gulong. Diba? Umiikot yung kapalaran, yung gulong ng kapalaran sa yung pabor. Kung nakita mo na na-serve na yung purpose nitong person na to sa'yo, would you continue? Yun yung tanong dito eh. Would you continue? Or would you separate? Iwalay ka na kasi na-serve na nga yung purpose eh. Don't you think that you deserve a better one? A better relationship? A better person? Somebody that would match you, that would love you truly, as much as you would love the person truly? Yun yung tanong sa'yo eh. The Four of Pentacles. The Two of Wands, and the Hermit. Okay, now, the Four of Pentacles. You keep holding on to this person, Saji. You keep holding on. Ayaw mo to let go. Iniisip mo pa kasi, the Two of Wands. You're thinking, saan ba ako pupunta? Dito sa maliwanag o sa madilim? Ano bang pipiliin ko dito? Ano bang direksyon ang pupuntahan ko? Kaya kailangan mag-isip ng matagal. Be the Hermit. This is the energy of a Virgo. Pag-isipan mo mabuti to. No? So you can make the decision. Because decision is being asked Diba? Ang sabi ko sa'yo, ito yun. Decision is asking you. Judgment is asking you, ano na ang gagawin mo. Kaya you need to think about this long and hard. What to do. So, tingnan natin sa future kung ano yung gusto nyo sabihin. We have the 7 of Wands, the 4 of Cups, the Knight of Swords, the Emperor, and the Devil. Saji, ang sinasabi dito sa future mo, yeah, you will be very protective or defensive about your emotion or maybe itong relationship. Kahit na alam mo na there is new love that is being offered to you, na may bagong love na dadating sa'yo, pero tinitignan mo pa rin yung nakaraan, hindi ka makapag-decide kung anong gagawin mo, hindi mo mapansin yung dadating sa yung bagong pag-ibig. Hindi mo pinapansin. Kaya ang nagiging action mo is, sige, bibilisan ko to. Sabihin, I will just take this rapidly or in speed. Parang tipong hindi ka na masyado nag-isip kasi kung titignan mo, ang bilis-bilis mo na kumilos. And yet, this is a sword. You wanted to communicate right away. Gusto mong mabilisang action dito That, you made up your mind. No? Nagdesisyon ka na. Kung tipo bang pinakita mo na ikaw yung emperor. Ikaw yung may energy na nagsasabi, no, this is my decision. I'm determined to fulfill this. This is what I thought about. No, kung tipong maninindigan ka dito sa decision na to. And the decision has something to do with not good decision. It's a devil energy, Saji. Hindi maganda yung decision mo. I think this is more of a selfish decision. Pang sarili lamang. Kasi this is the devil. Kita mo kung paano niya pinakita dito. Nakatali kayo sa isang chain. No? To signify that connection. Pero kung titignan mo, naka-loose yung chain. Hindi yan kung gabatipong hindi ka sakal na sakal. Pwede mo siyang alsin. No? Pero you refuse to do that. Because nangibabaw yung masama mong intensyon. I'm sorry to say, kung sino man yung nakakaramdam nito ngayon. That's why sinasabi ko nga na, itong separation part, parang hindi mo matanggap But you have to understand kung anong klaseng relationship meron kayo. That this is karmic. No? Karmic kayo Hindi ito yung true love. Iba yun. Hindi ito yung the one, hindi ito yung twin flame tipo. Karmic. Coming from the word karma. Ibig sabihin, merong kang dapat pagbayaran o sinisingil ka. Diba? Kasi may mali kayong nagawa o may mali ka nagawa noon. Kaya tinatama mo ngayon. That is the lesson that needs to be learned. Ngayon, kung di mo matanggap yan, you will just continue doing it over and over and over again hanggat matutunan mo na. Would you like to do that? Yung balik ka ng balik sa ganong sitwasyon? Paulit-ulit. Hindi ka ba nananawa? Yung tipong, hindi ka ba natuto? Hindi mo gets? Ganon. Kasi, ito mo naman yung ending mo. Devil. This is a negative energy. Kung ano man yung nagiging intention mo dito, it is bad. I'm telling you, it's bad. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung gusto ng message sa'yo ng Archangel. Angel Therapy. Archangel Raphael, give your cares and worries to us, angels, and allow us to take your burdens. O, diba? Kung nahihirapan ka na sa tingin mo, kaya ayaw mo to let go, is because nga, alam mo yun, if you're feeling burden about this, then, release that. Ibigay mo kay God. I-release mo kay God. I-release mo sa universe. I-release mo kila angel. Di ba sinasabi, angel therapy. Pabayaan mo yung angel na tumulong sa'yo o gumawa ng paraan. All you need to do is say, angel, kung may pangalan ka man sa angel mo, naniniwala ka sa mga angel, sabi mo, angel, please help me. That's all you need to say. And believe that your angel is helping you. Dahil andyan siya all the time, katabi mo lang eh. Hindi mo nga kung hindi mo pinapansin, pansinin mo na ngayon. Yun ang gusto kong sabihin sa'yo. Pansinin mo na, sabihin mo sa kanya, angel, kausapin mo angel mo. Have you ever thought of doing that? In your thoughts, kung ikaw lang mag-isa, kausapin mo, physically kausapin mo. And you will feel that difference, that there is somebody really looking up to you, taking care of you. Kung hindi mo talaga kaya, then give it to them. Give it to your angel. Kung angel, di ko na to kaya, please help me. Ganun lang yun. And gagawa siya ng paraan kasi you ask help. Gagawa siya ng paraan para hindi ka mahirapan, para hindi mo magkalaban to, di ba? Ewan ko na lang kung di mo naintindihan to. Angel and devil, di ba magkalaban yan? Andito siya para protektahan ka. Andito siya para to make sure that you take the right path. Di ba? Yung tamang daan. Please, Saji, or the person who, yung cross-watcher natin, yung tamang daan is this, di ba? Tinatanong sa'yo, ano yung tamang daan? The angel will guide you which way. Obviously, di ba yung puti? Hindi dito sa maitim. You see the difference? Itong itim yung devil, itong puti yung angel. Ngayon, ano pipiliin mo? Di ba? Ikaw yan, decision mo yan eh. Sabi ko nga, andito lang ako just to read what the card is saying. Pinaparating ko sa'yo yung message. It's up to you if you want to believe or not. Or if you want to do this or not. Go. It's your life. You have the choice. You have the free will. Doubt. Kailangan pa ba magsalita? Doubt. Meron kang alinlangan. I release the need to know all the answers. O, di ba? Kailangan po ba explain yan? I think you know what I mean. Hindi mo makukuha talaga lahat ng sagot. But if you believe that your angel will help you, sa pagkakataon na hindi mo na talaga kaya, hindi mo naiintindihan, wala ka makuha sagot, let your angel or God, universe, help you. Huwag mo solohin lahat ito. Kasi may sagot naman eh. You just refuse to know or refuse to ask help. Okay? Remember this energy. This is not a good one. Hindi ito maganda. Okay? Kung kanino mang sagito na nakuha natin sa pagbasa na to, sana nakatulong ito ng malaki sa'yo. Okay? At maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.